Hi students, today we are going to learn an experiment, percentage of water imbibed by resins. The process of selective transmission of a liquid in preference to another or a solvent in preference to the solute through semi-permeable membrane is termed as osmosis. The swelling up of resins when soaked in water takes place due to the phenomenon called osmosis. Semi-permeable membrane allows passage of solvent molecules only from hypotonic solution to the hypertonic solution. Objective of this experiment to determine the percentage of water imbibed by resins. Materials that are required to do this experiment are resins, water, weighing machine, beaker, filter papers, first of all, to know the weight of the dry resins, place the dry resins on the weighing machine and know the weight of the dry resins. Take water in a beaker, allow the resins in a beaker to get soaked for 24 hours. After 24 hours, and take out these resins. Press the resins with the help of a tissue paper. Weight the swollen resins using balance and find out the increase in weight. To know the weight of the resins, first of all, we note down the dry resins weight and then note down the swollen resins weight. Weight of the dry resins taken as x1 grams and weight of the swollen resins considered as x2 grams. So the amount of water absorbed by resins or increase in weight of the resins is weight of the swollen resins minus weight of the dry resins. So by this way, we estimate the amount of water absorbed by dry resins. To know the percentage of water absorbed, increase in weight of resins by weight of resins taken into 100. By using this formula, we estimate the percentage of water absorbed. Precautions of this experiment are: resin should be clean and dry. Resin should be completely immersed into water. Resin should be soaked in water for sufficient time. Before weighing, gently dry the resins with the help of filter paper. Based on this experiment, I ask few questions. What is osmosis? Anyone guess the answer? Movement of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane into a solution of higher solute concentration. What does hypertonic solution? A hypertonic solution is a particular type of solution that has a greater concentration of solutes on the outside of a cell when compared with the inside of a cell.